A lot of the times what happens is that you want to have similar kind of videos, and for that it's easier if you create a template. So for that, I'm just going to go on to library right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a template for my YouTube video projects. So there's the starting video on the beginning, just like this, and then there's the ending video over here at the end. So in between, there's going to be a placeholder. So I'm just going to go around over here and click on add placeholder, just like this, and keep it in between. And usually what also happens is that I have transition right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto my transition, and I'm going to select, let's say, for example, a very simple transition right here, fade, just like that. So this is the format for all of my YouTube videos right here. And if I have a template like this, it'll be a lot more easier to work around. So once this is done, once you've finalized the basic flow of your project just like this, you can just save this file as a template. So you simply go to file right here and save project as template. That is what you have to do. And the template name is going to be TutorTube in my case, and I'm going to press OK. So now template has been saved, as you can see right here. And if I were to open up Camtasia again, so I'm just going to restart the software. I'm going to close Camtasia, and I'm not going to save this as a project because I already saved it out as a template right here. So just close it and open up Camtasia again, and let's see now if we have access to that template or not. So now Camtasia is opening up, as you can see right here. And once it opens up here, you can see that there's an option for new from template. So I'm just going to go around here, and here you can see right here, there's the TutorTube template right here, which you can use. So I can delete the template, rename, or export out the template as well. Then what happens is that I can select this out and click on new from template. And then it loads out the template just like this. And then we can just start working around with this. We can add in media right here. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to add in this right here. I can just, let's say, for example, I record it and drag it onto the placeholder just like this. And I can just ripple replace this right over here. And you don't need to add in the transitions, and you don't need to worry about anything else, as you can see right there. And that is how you can create and work with the project template inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.